Kidadaliwa, my beloved. Thank you for supporting our Phoenixing Empowerment Initiative, energetic Sisters of Wisdom Circle, sacred framework for healing, clarity, and alignment. Did you know there is danger in internalizing emotions? When we hold our pain inside, it becomes spiritual blockage. Unspoken pain becomes destiny's interference. It creates agitation, physical tension, and emotional storms. But expressed words become medicine. Spoken truth becomes alignment and protection. Connecting with our messages becomes a pressure release valve for your destiny. Here, every message becomes therapeutic as we focus on purification, on emotional regulation, on breaking the cycles of silence, and connecting with ancestral voices, of course. The clearer your inner world, the clearer your chakra. This connection keeps your spiritual channels tidy and it strengthens your ashe. So check in daily, like and share our publication, not only for visibility but to empower one another. When we share, we allow the release of emotional pressure, the prevention of psychic overload, the avoidance of unnecessary conflict, elimination of self-doubt, the clearing of stagnation from your ashe, and the release of spiritual heaviness. Our Phoenixing Empowerment is an Ejagbe Sisters of Wisdom program. We provide traditional guidance, talk therapy, spiritual care to anyone in need of support, regardless of their religion or lack of religion. We are simply here for you. This is a sacred space for the heart, the mind, and the spirit. A place to brave, to speak, a place to heal. May your aura be aligned, and may peace surround you. Sincerely yours, I am Yeye Fatoke. Connecting from Egbe Fatoke, the Omoluwabi home of culture. Check in and reach out anytime. We are here.